Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter. This is the new model. The original model I did a while ago, and if you want to see that video, I'll put a link below in the description section. The old model is all black. The new filter has a gray lid. There's a red plug under the lid. This is the gray filter basket and black filter holder. There's a gray adapter on the side. To remove it, just push down and it comes off. To put it back, this opening goes into the hook. This filter is BPA free. You're going to leave the adapter on to use with all Keurig 2.0 models. They have been discontinued, but in case you own one, leave the adapter on. Remove the adapter to use in all other Keurig models. Instructions are included for use with the 2.0 and other models. The white sticker should be removed before using, but it's kind of annoying to get off, so I'll do that later. It doesn't come off cleanly. I'll show you how to use the filter with this Keurig K Supreme Plus, which I recently reviewed. I'll also leave a link to that review below in case you want to see it. For this unit, we'll take the adapter off. Turn the lid counterclockwise and take it off. Take the filter off. Put ground coffee into the filter. Keurig recommends using a coarser grind. I am using a finer grind here, and I didn't have any issues, but a fine espresso grind could clog the screen. There's a max line on the filter, so don't fill above that. Put it in the filter holder. Turn the lid clockwise so the lock icon matches up with the white dot. Lift the handle of the unit and remove the pot holder. Just push up from the bottom and it comes off. Put the filter in with the white arrow facing the back. Lower the handle. Choose a size. I'll do 8 ounces. And press the big K in the middle to brew. The coffee tastes strong and really good. You don't have to fill coffee up to the max line. You can fill less. Depends on the type of coffee you're using. If you're making a 10-ounce cup, I would definitely fill to the max line. For 8 ounce, I would fill a little less, especially with the coffee that I used. It was very strong. Lift the handle and remove the filter. Twist off the lid. Remove the filter holder and tap out the coffee. Wait a few minutes after brewing because this is very hot. To clean the filter, remove the red lid plug and wash all the parts in warm soapy water. Rinse them and air dry. You can also wash in the top rack of your dishwasher, but just be careful to secure the red plug because it's small and it can fall off. I always hand wash the filter right after drinking coffee. It's really quick, and this way it's ready and clean for the next cup. Don't forget to put the red plug back on the lid. Also, put the pot holder back if you're using K-cups. Keurig recommends using only coffee with this filter. No tea leaves or hot cocoa. Using this filter will save you money since you can use ground coffee instead of the pricey K-cups. My older filter has lasted for years without any issues, and I'm hoping this one will too. If you want to get this filter, click on the link right below this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.